friends. Today my book that I'm going to read is called The Animal in Me is Very Plain to See. It's written by Lori C. Ty and photography by Thomas D. Mangelison. I love the pictures in this book. The animal in me is very plain to see. When I am hungry, I am like a great grizzly bear with my mouth open wide. When I am scared, I am like a white-tailed deer who is easily spooked. When I am angry, I am like a ferocious lion protecting his pride. When I am curious, I am like a spotted owl scanning the forest floor, checking things out. When I am sad, I am like a dark brown bison standing alone in a white storm. When I feel like screaming, I am like a coyote howling under a full moon. When I am lazy, I am like a harbor seal gazing into the bright blue sky. When I feel strong, I am like a big bull moose roaming the hillside doing whatever I please. When I am excited, I am like a little hummingbird constantly fluttering about. When I am graceful, I am like a beautiful swan with my wings open wide. When I am fast, I am like a cheetah chasing a gazelle. When I am tired, I am like a Bengal tiger basking in the morning sunlight. When I am having fun, I am like a polar bear playing with my best friend. When I feel loved, I am like a mountain lion cub snuggled in my mom's arms because she loves me more than any animal in the whole world. Good night, animals. I am going to bed. The end. Thank you, friends, for joining me. We'll see you later.